So I hope from the previous video you people are clear with these two concepts. One is electric field, the space around the charge where its effect can be experienced, and one is of course a space around the magnet where its effect can be experienced, is called a magnetic field. Now I am totally ready to answer for this observation that why after switching on the current or by switching this particular switch, why these small iron nails got attracted, and after switching it off these small iron nails got fall down. To answer such a concept, you must have to understand these two lines, and listen grade 10th, these two lines are not given in your 10th class book. This is exactly I've taken from grade 12th, but these are the two lines very important. That whenever your charge is stationary means when your charge is at rest, it is having an electric field. And whenever your charge is moving, like in the case of current. Now current is simply the movement of electric charges. So whenever your charge is moving, it is having both electric as well as magnetic field, and this is the key concept of whole chapter. That whenever the charge is stationary, it is having only so-called electric field, and whenever it is moving, it is being mixed up with both electric as well as magnetic fields. Now one more very interesting concept. Whenever you put any magnetic material like iron, cobalt, nickel inside the magnetic field, that material also becomes magnet. Just like if you go for putting any iron inside the earth, the iron will become a magnet, because earth is also having a magnetic field, which we are going to discuss later. Now same for over here, try to pay attention. Now what happens when I switch on, the charge started becoming flow. So the charge started flowing. Now when the charge is moving, now this charge already having the electric field, now along with electric field it is having a magnetic field. So here this is the magnetic field of this charge which is flowing through this wire. Now what I told, if you place any magnetic material inside the magnetic field, that material becomes a magnet. Just over here, this big iron nail, this is made up of iron, and iron is a magnetic material. So it means this iron nail, when placed in the magnetic field of this current which is flowing through this, it becomes magnet, and it started attracting these small nails, and when I switch it off, the magnetic field will move away, because now the charge will come to rest again. Or even if you people will say, sir, charges are always moving in a wire even when the current is when the switch is off, but putter, in a wire there is no net flow of electrons, means they are not moving in a particular direction. This you have studied already, because when there is no potential difference, we have studied in the previous chapter of physics. So if you want to know about that, go for my previous videos of lesson 1. So it means when switch is off, there is no net movement of electrons, hence no what we call that no charge has been moving, hence no magnetic field, no magnetism, no attraction. That's it.